So it's another perfect fall day here in North Texas, where we can sail well almost year round. And this was race number 6, which thank God we had a 6th race to redeem ourselves. And we had a rough start. If we were going to be anything, we were going to be over early. That was the intention, and we were over early. Had to restart, came back, still picked off a boat. Shout out to Jason Bowe and the crew for a strong finish. We ended up tying with Black Widow for the weekend regatta. We pulled out the tiebreaker. And so I'd say that's a win for the first regatta for the Red Boat, and we're looking forward to much more racing in next year's hopefully Texas circuit. Stay safe, sail fast. If you enjoy couch sailing with us, then subscribe and watch us every week.
What we got on time?
2:20. If we're going to be anything, we're going to be over.
What do you mean over?
We don't want to be late.
Early or late? Right.
Come down, hard. 5, 4, 3, 2, go.
Go.
Up. Perfect. Up. And hold the course. Up. We're over early. We gotta go back.
What?
Yeah, we're over early. We gotta go back. We gotta go restart. The boat they pushed us over. Okay, diving. Drive around. We're over early.
We weren't over early, dude.
Yes, we were. But we were on top of the line ahead of it. That's why I kept saying come down. All right, that's fine. Go around the mark. Let's go that way with exo set. Okay, trim in. Let's go.
The line is this and the boat.
Don't worry about it.
All right. Skirt me.
Skirt. We were way over. It was a good start, though. Nice job. Good start.
We need to go on that on the left of that mark, right?
No. You don't need to. Do whatever you want.
Okay.
If you want to attack after that mark, it's not a bad idea. No. Try to get past it. We were over. That's where I always listened to the radio because I thought we were. Got way back.
Yes, I got it.
And they called 60 over.
I'll watch. I've seen it.
Fine. Yes, we got it. We got this race. Let's go. That was a good start. Like I said, if we're going to be over, let's be over early. Move on that side of the course. Take a quick peek where you're on mark right now. That's after turning around and restarting.
That's amazing. He ain't even out here.
You want to go now? You can.
Let's say we go. Ready to attack?
Yep.
Attacking.
Let's do it. Coming in. Go. Keep trimming. Ready to fall off the speed. So we stay ahead of Black Widow. We got about 4 boat lengths. We definitely want to make sure we make this. Don't back yet.
I'm not.
You'll be at 120 on the other side. Now you can tack.
Let's tack. Ready to attack?
Yep.
Attacking.
Attacking. High, Jason. Come up. Swing up.
I am.
Swing up.
I'm gonna make it trim hard.
Full face. Coming up, whenever you start to level off. Level off more. Come down. Come down with the main up and the middle out to the this. Hey, Mark, set. Help me around. Help me out.
Got my mark. Got my mark.
Yep, keep going. Stay a little high. Okay, turn. That's up. Down.
Push the main out.
Hey, you're on a reach. There, you're coming back to it. Here you go. Let's go kick some butt, boys. Inside the boat, Mark. Okay, speed's 4.7. That's good.
That was a mess. Come back. Not done yet, though.
And refraining.
Yeah, I'm refraining too. And especially after we just had to restart.
Yeah,
That's impressive.
Big Black Widow, we're waving at you up here, so how to hail them for us, please.
You said I'm refraining.
Okay, everyone, let's start thinking about marks. And then Mark, real quick, if you can come to
I'm
this
staying
side,
on a
walk it in.
reach.
Come to this side, Mark, go to that side, push your genoa forward like you did. Okay. Make sure his genoa is going to bleed out.
It looks like Matt, Bad Moon, they're all going to the right.
So this will tie us up.
Yeah.
So what will technically mean if we do beat them, that means we win. Because we won the last race. Did you say with having a restart?
I did, Dave. I did.
There you go, Mark Couch. You're welcome for pushing us over early, you big jerk.
Hey, and he asked if we wanted him to wait on us.
Did he say that?
He did. You want me to wait on you?
Right.
Matt's going right. Bad Moon's going left. What do we want to do, guys? I say left.
Mark,
Nope. Bad Moon just tacked.
Mark, go ahead and get yourself up and.
Let's go right. That way we keep the main in line. Hey, trim in.
Trim it, boys. Race out, guys. Let's go. Racing, come up. Come on, come in.
Okay, ready to attack? Attack. Start.
Good. Nice shot, guys.
Okay, prepare to attack. Attack. Trim in hard. I'm good. I'm good. Leave it there. 5-3, 5-4, 5-5.
a sailor.
Good catch, Fireball.
Well,
I mean, hike out, hike out.
Let your main out a little if you're getting heeled over, you know? Right there. You're in control.
Yep. 5'7", 5'8". I can get it. I can easily get that. 5'9". 6'1". Got it. 5'7", 5'8". Almost. I don't need to go higher. I'm missing that shit. You ready to hoist? Made.
Get on down, get on down. Okay, are you all the way up? Let go of the green line. Okay, thank you. All right. Down. So we need to pull it in first, right?
Coming down.
Hold on, we're not there yet.
We're there. I'm calling that shit. Yeah, that was a really, really good one.
Mental recovery very quickly.
That was a very good one. Okay, Mark. This is the last job of the race. Prepare to jibe. Puccio, you ready to jibe? Puccio, you ready to jibe? Jibing.
Hey. Beautiful drive, you guys.
Hell yeah.
Beautiful drive.
That's what I'm talking about.
Okay, so what I wanted to see is all I did was let my arms out so that you could.
Yeah, going between the committee vote and the orange. Or green.
Green.
Oh, no, I said green. I mean, I knew what I meant. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I meant, but I'm so excited right now in my head that I lost my vocabulary for a moment. Thank you, Mark Couch.
Nice job, race committee!
She said Cinderella.
You said somewhere else.
You said Cinderella.
Sorry, Mark. Can we go up to the finish?